Hello friends, welcome to CSS video tutorials series. In the previous video tutorial, we applied a border around the div element. We applied top border, right border, bottom border and left border independently. This is the code for that. In the body, we have one div element and in between the style tag, we told to the browser locate any div, apply the background color sign and text align to justify. To apply the top border, we use three properties: border top width, border top style, border top color. To apply the right border, we use border right width, border right style, border right color. To apply the bottom border, we used border bottom width, border bottom style, border bottom color CSS property. To apply the left border, we used border left width, border left style, border left color CSS properties. You can see there are 12 different CSS properties we have used to apply the border around the div element. Is it possible to reduce the number of lines of code and apply the border around an HTML element? The answer to this question is yes. We have to use CSS Border Shorthand Properties. Here we have CSS Border Top Shorthand Property. Border top shorthand property is used to specify the top border thickness, style and color in a single line. The value that we can assign to border top property is we have to use the border top width space border top style space border top color semicolon. Let's see the demonstration. I go to the notepad. Here I say border dash top colon. Then I am going to give the value of border top width, which is 5px, Ctrl X, Ctrl V. Then I give border top style value, that is solid, Ctrl X, space, Ctrl V. Then I give the value border top color blue, Ctrl X, space, Ctrl V and semicolon. Then I am going to delete these three lines. You can see that I have reduced the number of lines of code. This CSS property is going to apply border top width of 5px, solid, style, blue color. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that there is no change. We can change the properties if we want. The border top width should be 10 pixel. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that border top thickness is increased to 10 pixel. I can say here double, the style should be double. File, save, go to browser and refresh. Border top style is now in double. Similarly, I can change the color to red. File, save, go to browser and refresh. Border top color is red. Similarly, we can use the next shorthand property, that is CSS border right shorthand property. Border right property is used to specify the right border thickness, style and color in a single line. Value we have to assign are border right width, border right style, border right color, semicolon. Let me go to the notepad and demonstrate it. Here I say border dash right colon. Value I am going to give border right width, that is 5 pixel, Ctrl X, Ctrl V. Then border right style solid, Ctrl X, space, Ctrl V. Border right color blue, Ctrl X, space, Ctrl V, semicolon. And I am going to delete these three lines. Select, press delete, file, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that there is no change to the border right. Let's change the values. I say here border right width should be 10 pixel. File, save, go to browser and refresh. The right border is having now 10 pixel. Similarly, the style should be double, border right style. File, save, go to browser and refresh. Border right style is now double. Similarly, I am going to say border right color should be red. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that right border color is now in red. Similarly, the third shorthand property we have is CSS border bottom property. Border bottom property is used to specify the bottom border thickness, style, color in a single line. Values we can assign are border bottom width, border bottom style, space, border bottom color, semicolon. Let's see the demonstration. Here I say border dash bottom colon. Values I am going to give border bottom width value, that is 5px, Ctrl X, Ctrl V. Border bottom style, that is solid, Ctrl X, space, Ctrl V. Then border bottom color blue, Control X, space, Control V, semicolon, and then I select these three lines, say delete. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that there is no change to the bottom border. Now I say here border bottom width or thickness should be 10 pixel. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that bottom border thickness is 10. Then I say here border bottom style should be double. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that the border bottom has a style double. Similarly, border bottom color should be red. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that it is in a red color. The next shorthand property we have is CSS Border Left property. Border left property is used to specify the left border thickness, style, color in a single line. We have to give values border left width space, border left style space, border left color. Let's see the demonstration. Here I say border dash left colon, value I am going to give border left width value 5px, Control X, space, Control V, border left style that is solid, Control X, space, Control V, and border left color value is blue, Control X, space, Control V, semicolon. I select these three lines, say delete. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that there is no change to the border left. Now I say border left thickness should be 10 pixel. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that the width of the border left is 10 pixel set. Border left style should be double. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that it is in a double line. And then red, border left color should be red. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that we have applied the border around the div with 10 pixel thickness, double style, red color. And also you can observe that we have reduced a lot of number of lines of code from 12 lines to 4 lines, right? I hope you guys have clearly understood how border top shorthand property, border right shorthand property, border bottom shorthand property, border left shorthand property work and how you can use them. For this tutorial, this much is enough friends. In the next tutorial, we discuss more on CSS border properties. For more benefits and be up to date, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with others so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.